Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by assembling materials and making the first precise cuts. Use cardstock for structural strength and lighter craft paper for the translucent bokeh shapes because contrast creates depth. Once ready, trace a 6/8 cm base circle and cut it cleanly on a mat, then trace 6/8 smaller circles of varying sizes from 1.5 to 3 cm. Make sure to leave 0.5 cm gaps when arranging templates. You want breathable edges for later layering. Once the pieces are cut, focus on layering to achieve the bokeh effect. Score 1/3 into the base circle so the layers sit at subtle angles. Scoring helps catch and reflect light. Alternate heavier cardstock and translucent paper. Place 2 cardstock layers, then 1 translucent, because this contrast mimics optical blur. Apply glue only at center points to keep edges free, and use tweezers to position layers with consistent vertical spacing, so highlights appear soft and natural. Finish by trimming any uneven edges and gently bending layers outward to enhance three-dimensional separation. This creates the characteristic overlapping glow. If the assembly feels flimsy, add a thin backing paper and press flat under weight until dry to stabilize the piece. Make sure to test with directional light to confirm the effect. If edges lift later, reapply a tiny dot of glue, realign, and clamp for 10 to 15 minutes. This fixes misalignment without crushing the delicate bokeh layers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.